Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Nur Fadri. I am a 12 grade student majoring network computer engineering at SMK Manatul Quran. Today I want to presentation my internship report at Netcom as a CCTV installation in 3 months. And the next is list of contents, and this is have four contents I want to presentation. The first is chapter 1 introduction, the 2 is chapter 2 company description, and chapter 3 implementation of practice, and chapter 4 concludes and suggestion. Let's start from chapter 1 introduction. And introduction have one statement. The first is objective of industry work practice is one product work who have professional skill, namely workers who have a level of knowledge, skill and work as in accordance with the demands of the job market. The two is strengthening the relationship and equivalence between SMK and industry. The three, improving the efficiency of the process of education and training of professional quality workforce. The fourth is give recognition and appreciation of work appreciation as part of the education projects. Let's start. And then chapter 2 company profile overview. In here I want to presentation company history. Netcom Computer and CCTV Cikarang has more than 15 years of experience in serving computer needs and procurement, CCTV installation. In addition, we all work on computer network installation, web design, email hosting, and marketing application, staff of firewall, fingerprint, video company profile, cooperative system as other. Netcom employees are experienced in their respective field, expert in hardware and software, expert in CCTV, expert in web design, email hosting and design, expert in programming, expert in video animation and flash design. They always get the necessary training in accordance with their respective field. And Netcom company have a service procedure. The first is CCTV installation, the 2 is web design, the 3 computer service, and 4 computer store, and 5 is training. And the next is chapter 3 presentation implementation on time and place of practices. Practice is held for 3 months, starting on July 24, 121 until October 22, 221. Practicing in place at Netcom, which is location at Jababeka 2, Industrian Estate, Jalan Cipegadungan Raya, Block A5, No 109, Cikarang Baru, Jaya Mukti, Kecamatan Cikarang Pusat, Bekasi, West Java. At this Netcom, practicing start at 8 o'clock until 5 o'clock p.m. and gets break for the Zuhur prayer, lunch, and Asar prayer. Recurring activity take place on Monday and Saturday. Recurring students are required to wear polished and neat clothes, no specialist uniform, and must wear shoes. All of material and tools is one cable RG59 or coaxial, and the two is cutter, and the three in BNC, and four cable RG45 or LAN. And then internship activity, the one is Windows installation in Windows 10 and 7, and the two is configuration router TP-Link the Alienware 840N, and the three is CCTV installation. And in the last chapter is for conclusion and suggestion. My suggestion and my conclusion is one, improve work skills student, and the two is quality work student and discipline of time work. And my suggestion is one, for student who take part in recurring activity, they must deliberately ask the superior or the person in charge when they have problem or things that cannot be overcome by student. The two is it is advisable for student to choose a place for recurring according to their field of experience. The three is filling in the daily journal should be done routinely every day so as not to fail up work. The fourth students who have finished recurring should be able to share experience with each other through discussion from facilitated by the school. Okay, that's all from me. If you found many mistakes in my presentation, I hope you can apologize because I am human being. Plus I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.